Little Mr. Goat. Hey, do you know how to ride those goats?
You want to ride it?
Ollie, Ollie, look at Wing. Look at me.
That's a pretty cute picture.
That was a video. Dang it. Somehow I messed it up.
We're going to eat your clothes.
Buggy. Hey, buddy, look at me. Look at me. Oh, wait a minute.
How old is he?
He's 3.
He just turned 3?
Yeah.
Because he'll be 3 in July. I knew they were pretty close.
Look at him.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, he turned 3 in January.
I threw Buster over the fence.
Ollie, did you grab him by the horns?
Hurt his leg. He was
Billy
like,
Goat Gruff.
Oh, Bust.
felt pretty bad. Oh.
Careful.
He's going to headbutt you. Knock
He
you off that.
might knock you right off from there. Careful, don't stamp too much. Watch out, watch
Watch out,
out.
Ellie.
Watch out.
He'll knock you right off there, buddy. Uh-oh, he thinks he's got the upper hand now.
If he hits you in the with his head like this, he'll knock you right
He
over.
goes like this.
Boom.
I want to get down.
Jump.
No, get closer.
Jump.
No, get closer. Get closer.
You can't get any closer, buddy.
Close. Okay, jump. Or else you're not going to get down. Gonna go see a chicken?
Oh my God.